stick recording. You want this?
He goes, meh.
Wait, did he find his true love? Huh?
He found it now, chicken.
Yeah, that's his true love.
So funny.
Should I try it again? I just don't want him to bite it. Oh, like he almost did.
Yeah.
Just try it.
Do it.
Okay, bud.
On that.
I love this dog. I seriously want to grab him and keep him. Kiss him so much.
He would bite the crap out of you.
Oh.
Oh. There you go, bud.
Duck eating chicken.
And they don't
And then he
have
runs
teeth.
away.
Flat, flat,
Uh-huh.
flat.
Do they have teeth?
Nope.
Yeah, so it won't even hurt. It would just be like, boop.
Oh man,
Okay.
those bills can definitely hurt.
These bills.
Oh yeah.
Here you go, bud. Oh, dude. Have him in there. You will die. You will die.
He's like, so,
We fed you half a pound of chicken. How much more do you want?
Oh, yeah.
And that first one when he was choking on it, that was hilarious.
Hey, he ate a bug.
Choking the chicken.
Choking the chicken.
Yeah.
He's trying to be cute now.
Oh,
He doesn't know what to do.
He's like,
Same.
so, let's cut all these tricks I know. He goes, wait a minute. What the hell?
Did it hurt?
No, it
hurt
all
on
just felt really freaking weird.
Would it hurt on me?
No, you can do it.
Me? No,
Oh
I'm
my
not.
god, that's a weird feeling. Do it, Mom. Oh wait, no, that's right, he hates you.
Yeah, he doesn't like me.
I'll watch it do a trick.
Well, here I wonder. Let me see a piece of chicken.
Sounds like you should. I'm need to want a piece of chicken.
There you go. Ducky trick.
Is that recorded, Mom? That's totally recorded.
Man, this thing's getting ballsy. You're gonna be my new background.
Should I try this? Should I try it?
Go ahead, Dick.
Oh crap! Do it! Do it! Come on, yo! Come on, yo! Wait, do it! Do it! Do it, Dylan!
What?
You can do it on him! Do it!
What am I doing?
Like your finger?
Like, I know this trick.
I fought for that 2 times.
Are you recording this time, Mom?
Ducky
As far as I know.
Wanna do ducky tricks? Yeah. Oh! I saw it! It was too terrifying. Yo, dude!
Too terrifying.
Yo, dude! Dude! Dude!
Don't scare him.
No, he had a piece of chicken that he didn't eat.
Well, yeah, but stop it at it's not gonna help.
Yo!
Yeah,
Yo.
what's with this?
This time. Is he loving this?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, you want... Dude, you're getting up to the bag. You're off.
Give a fish?
No, but there was a little bass over there and it's attacking the hell out of something.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Stay there. Dylan, keep feeding him chicken.
Keep feeding him chicken.
Keep feeding him chicken. I'm gonna try to... I'm not kidding you.
Oh,
I
crap.
want to get the more things sick.
Yeah, no, I'm trying to get a fish. I'm trying to get this.
Make him do tricks again.
Who's bringing that? I got
Oh.
Kind of like Misty.
I know, just hang. Okay, let's see if we can catch. Look.
Flop, 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 flop.
Oh, no, apparently not. You are an epic little ducky. I wonder.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh God, let me zoom in. Because you're a freak. I'm male. What the hell? Try it again, dude. That would be amazing. You don't even know. Because I may have flamboyant colors, but oh my God, he's gonna do it. You have to do it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh.
You're freaking me out now.
Oh my God, you have to do it.
Come here.
Oh.
He's like, nope. I need a walk.
Stranger danger.
Here, duck. Hold on, Derry. Hold on. Stay there.
Goes, oh boy.
He's like,
that was crazy.
Oh my! Oh, look at him. He goes, holy shit, this is huge.
you try with your tongue.
No.
Oh God, no.
He's just like,
chicken. We're totally gonna have to give him the ducky Heimlich. That's huge.
Oh my God.
Oh.
Did he get it?
I'm waiting for him to just go, wah!
He goes like, hold the boys at home don't see this video.
we need to buy a duck.
I want this duck. Let's put him in the bucket and take him home.
Hey Mike, we didn't catch any fish, we caught a duck.
We got a duck. Think he'll fit in the tank?
Kitty. Meow.
Oh, that duck would totally fit. Oh, well, there you go, thanks.
He pooped. Nice.
How's that for the camera?
Oh my God. Oh. You see something wet.
Oh, there it is. Oh.
We totally just spent $4 or $5 on it.
Because I'm out of here.
I was gonna try to make him do a trick.
He goes, I'm not playing that trick anymore.
See this poop.
That's nice. Nice. Becca will appreciate that.
Yeah, have it at on his spot.
What if I can make him like do a spin or something?
He goes, you've humiliated me enough.
Come on, Dick. He's like, hell no.
No, you have to do this like,
I get too close to him. Oh.
Just drop it. Yeah, don't you see that ducky food?
Yay. Yay.
Ducky omelet. I hope they don't come over here and scare it.
Well, I've got my fill of duck entertainment.
I know.
Kissed it, so it's all good.
Dylan.
Kissed the duck.
Made out with the duck.
You know what you should do?
Not what I was expecting
You know
you
what
to
you
do
should do?